Hey guys, in this video today we're going to be covering magic branding, how to set it up, and what it does. So first things first, let's go ahead and hit account settings, customizations, branding. From here you will see a default brand kit loaded into GlassHive. Obviously we don't want a default brand kit, we want to inject our own in there, so we'll go ahead and hit reset brand. Cool. Now we've reset the brand. What we're going to do next is actually import your company website in here. So what this is going to do is it's automatically going to import your assets, i.e. pull your company colors, fonts, logos, brands, company details, and social media handles into GlassHive. So you'll see our API go to work. So it's going to slowly grab all that information aforementioned, right? It's automatically going to populate in there for us. As soon as that finishes loading, great, almost there, perfect. The magic is working, and now you'll see all of our company logos, fonts, colors, button styles, social media handles, and company details are now injected into GlassHive. So here's how this helps us, right? So through the design studio, you have access to thousands of different pieces of content from GlassHive or other vendors. So for instance, if I wanted to go in here and look at all of GlassHive's managed services emails, I will go in and see a default brand on all of these pieces of content. However, you'll note on this one, it's white, blue, and orange. If I go ahead and preview that now, you'll now see GlassHive's logo is at the top of the piece of content. The colors and fonts are now going to be our actual brand. So you'll see that it's going to be pink, white, and purple. So this will automatically happen on any asset you see magic branding on, allowing you to automatically brand thousands of assets at the click of a button.